Oh my god. She's actually here. I am so nervous, but in a happy way. Yeah, this is my Vorpal Blade letter opener. Hold on, let's get this opened up. Oh my god. It's been like, what, 11 years? Almost 11 years? That I've been waiting for this moment. Oh my god. Okay. This side. Oh my gosh. I am freaking out. My heart is pounding so fast. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. I can't believe it.